Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Whilst we respect the decision of the SACP to contest the coming local government elections, let us all do everything in our power to avoid the fragmentation.
Ungaboni ngasolinye okufufusa kumfela ndawonye we-ANC kuphinde kwahlala obala embuthanweni wekhosathu womgubho wosuku lwezisebenzi ePolokwane, nalapho iphini likamengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile lethule khona inkulumo yosuku.
What is justice to the people of Marikana? It's not only about those who survived. It's to make sure that Marikana becomes a beautiful township because they are many.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema wethembise ngokwenza ubulungiswa emndenini yezisebenzi ezingama-34 zasemayini iLonmin ezashona ngesibhicongo saseMarikana.
Thandazela ukuthi umazwi abuye ekhaya. That's the only thing yenza ukuthi spirit sethu sibe high.
Umndeni kasomabhizinisi waseFosloras eGauteng umazwi kubheka onyamalele ngasekuqaleni kwenyanga edlule uthi awusabuthi qhu ubuthongo selokhu enyamalele. Mbukeli yasikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zosuku enzethulelwa uSihle wakwaDlamini, kanti ke angihambisani ngedwa kodwa ngihamba noFortune Madlala. Asingabe sapholisa amaseko ke mbukeli sizwe ukuthi iziphi ezihamba phambili kusihlwa nje. Siqale ngezithi ungaboni ngasolinye okufufusa kumfela ndawonye oholwa yi-ANC kuphinde kwahlala obala embuthanweni wekhosathu wokugubha usuku lwezisebenzi ePolokwane eLimpopo. Abaholi bagxeke isinqumo se-SACP songenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngokuzimela, kanti iphini likamengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uyena owethule inkulumo yosuku kulomgubho obusePolokwane.
Lesokhathazeka kwayo ngesinqumo se-SACP sokungenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngokuzimela, nokho leli qembu livumile ukuthi umfela ndawonye udinga ukuvuselelwa ngokuphuthuma okuyikho bekufunwa i-SACP isikhathi eside.
Whilst we respect the decision of the SACP to contest the coming local government elections, let us all do everything in our power to avoid the fragmentation of the working class struggles. We need this alliance to advance the national democratic revolution and ensure the complete emancipation of our people. So today, as we celebrate May Day, we celebrate this day of the workers, we are saying, let there be unity.
Kusenjalo ekhosathu kanye neSANCO nazo zisho ngazwelinye ukuthi akuheleze umoya wobumbano kumfela ndawonye.
This alliance must be united. We must always remind ourselves that we are allies and not opponents. And so it is important that we work hand in glove as we engage, as we mobilize voters to ensure that on the election day, this alliance emerges victorious.
We therefore call upon all alliance components to rethink the future. Otherwise, history will judge us harshly.
Amalungu e-ANC aphinde abe nobulungu be-SACP asenikeza umnqamla juqwa ngesonto ukuthi kuzofanele akhethe uhlangothi lokuthi azokhankasela liphi iqembu njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngasekupheleni konyaka ngoLwezi.
Sisadingida eziphathelene nosuku lwezisebenzi, umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema usebenzise umgubho wosuku lwezisebenzi ngokwethembisa ukwenza ubulungiswa emndenini yezisebenzi ezingama-34 zasemayini iLonmin ezashona ngesibhicongo saseMarikana.
uMalema wakhale kakhulu ngokuthi nakuba le ndawo yaseMarikana eNorthwest inothi ngamagugu ambi waphansi, umphakathi walapha usadonsa kanzima.
What is justice to the people of Marikana? It's not only about those who survived. is to make sure that Marikana becomes a beautiful township because there are minerals here.
Usole kakhulu nezinkampani zezimayini ezihluleka ukutshala kabusha imali ekuthuthukisweni kwendawo okuhlanganisa izikole, imitholampilo kanye nokufukula umphakathi.
There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful houses here. There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful schools here. There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful hospitals here. There must be a mine here, there must be 24-hour clinics next to the mine.
Odabeni olusematheni lwemkhankaso ezinhlangano ezahlukene ezilisana nabokufika abakuleli ngaphandle kwamaphepha, uMalema ufanise izenzo zabaqhuba lembhikisho njengabathela amanzi emhlane weDada.
Hawusabuyisa isiZulu wabethu. But let's ask a question. After you marched and say you don't want Zimbabweans, you don't want Nigerians, you don't want Ghanaians, you close shops, you march. Why are you not coming back to tell us the following day that after that march, we expelled 10 Zimbabweans, and out of those 10 Zimbabweans, we're able to give 10 South Africans jobs?
Uthi ke lembhikisho ayisona isisombululo ezinkingeni zokuntuleka kwemisebenzi ezikhungethe lelizwe.
Njengoba kugujwa usuku lwezisebenzi namhlanje, izinyunyana eziningi zikhala ngokuthi elakuleli lisabhekene nenkinga enkulu yokwentuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi. Nabasebenzayo ke nabo bakhala ngengcindezi ababhekene nayo njengoba isimo somnotho singesihle kahle kuleli.
Umgubho wosuku lwezisebenzi wakulonyaka ufika nje izinga lokwentuleka kwemisebenzi limi ku-31.4%, kanti nezindleko zokuphila ziyinkinga ethusa wonke umuntu.
Many of those who were in the trenches with us took an off-ramp. An off-ramp to accumulate wealth for themselves.
Isafti ithi njalo makwethulwa inkulumo emayelana nesimo sezwe yaziwa ngesona kuhlale kuqanyiswa udaba lokwakhiwa kwamathuba omsebenzi, kodwa isithembiso singabonakali.
Job creations are just a statement that are issued every time, in particular when we have to go through the voting processes. The SONA each and every time, because we don't keep the politicians accountable of their promises. That's why they are willing to give promises at any given time without accountability.
Esifundazweni eMpumalanga izisebenzi zithi ithwele kanzima ngenxa yesimo somnotho.
We as workers were suffering. We as workers were getting little pay. We as workers were marginalized and exploited in our workplace.
That we are getting from the employers who are employing us is not enough. They give us what is not actually expected, what is not in accordance with the current economic discourse in the country.
Inyunyana ezisebenza semayini inxenxe isebenza ukuba ihlale ibumbene ziphinde ivikele amalungelo azo.
Any commemoration that ignores Marikana, that commemoration is dishonest. Any celebration that avoids this truth is an insult to the working class. Comrades, every politician who travels the world in search of investment begins with one thing: workers.
Ezinye izisebenzi zasemaplazini esifundazweni iLimpopo zikhale ngokuthi zicwaswa ngabaphathi bazo bebalele imhlophe emaplazini.
Uma sihlabela phambili samukela udaba oluthi umndeni kasomabhizinisi waseFosloras eGoli uMazwi Kubheka onyamalale ngaseqaleni kwenyanga edlule uthi awusabuthiqo ubuthongo selokhu enyamalele. Kunabathile abathi kunezingxoxo ebezikhona phakathi kwakhe kanye nabo kufika ebebenentshisekelo yokusebenzisa isitolo sakhe.
Umndeni wowesilisa waseFosloras owanyamalala ekuqaleni kukaMbasa kulonyaka uthi awusabuthi quthu ubuthongo ngemuva kokunyamalala kwakhe. uMazwi Kubheka kubikwa ukuthi wanyamalala eya ebhange eyofaka imali njengoba engumnikazi wesitolo, kanti kunabathile ke abathi kwakunezingxoxo ezaziqhubeka phakathi kukaKubheka kanye nabantu bokufika ababezimisele ngokuqasha isitolo sakhe. Lezi nkumbi zabantu bezilibangise emndenini wakwaKubheka beyowuqinisa idolo njengoba sekuphele inyanga Goloko kwaNyamalala indodana yawo uMazwi Kubheka ingaziwa. Umndeni uthi usuhlala uthandazela nje ukuthi ingane yawo ibuye iphila.
Sithandazela ukuthi uMazwi abuye ekhaya. That's the only thing is ukuthi spirit sethu sibe high for Mazwi's sake.
Abanye abaholi bebeyingxenye yale march bathi asikho isidingo sokuthi amaqembu ezombusazwe akhankase ngalomshophi kufanele kubanjiswane ukuze kutholakale olahlekile.
It is a kidnap because it's almost a month now a person not coming back at home, of which he was also owning the business in the country. He's owning the tuck shop. He was trying the living. Now also there is a competition between South Africans and these people from outside the country who are thinking now they are owning the tuck shop industry.
Esinye isakhamuzi esalahlekelwa ingane yaso yagcina ingatholakalanga sithi ukulahleka kukaMazwi kubuyisa lonke usizi aluzwa uyafisa atholakale futhi esaphila.
Vele kungisobuhlungu okukhulu ngoba sonke singabomama umntana mina walahleka nge-30 April ngo-2005.
Kunabathile ebese behlabe ikhwele lokuthi izitolo zabantu bokufika azivalwe nabo baphume bephele kulelizwe.
Mbukeli okwamanje sisathi qhu ezitolo unganyakazi siyabuya nezinye indaba. Siphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele kanti mbukeli yasikhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngobunjalo bazo. Owayekhulumela umnyango wezenhlalakahle uLumka Oliphant usegxeke ungqongqoshe walomnyango uSisisi Tolashe ngezinsolo zokukhuluma ongelona iqiniso ngaye ngaphambi kwePhalamende.
Lonke lithi ezizitholo zenziwe nguOliphant zenzelwe ukususa amehlo koyena nobangela ukugxothwa kwakhe. Liphinde lathi kuyaxhalabisa ukuba kubekho inzame zokuzama ukuthyola umphathiswa ubuqu nakwizinto ezingaphandle komsebenzi oluxanduva lwakhe.
The Minister of Social Development, Ms. Nokzola Sisisi Tolashe, has noted what appears to be a deliberate and sustained attempt to mislead the public and undermine her leadership through the circulation of distorted narratives. The ministry places it on record that these claims are being driven by a disgruntled former official of the department, Ms. Lumka Oliphant.
Kodwa uOliphant uthe usamile kumazwi wakhe. Uthi amaxwebhu onyaka wesebe analo lonke ulwazi olufunekayo.
I did not lie to Parliament. She did. I did not advertise the post of the DG without the President's approval. I did not steal cars from the ANC Women's League.
Isebe lithe ngexesha elifanelekileyo uTolashe uza kunika inkcazelo epheleleyo eParlamente. Kusenjalo amaqela amabini eParlamente ele-Action SA nele-DA athi afaka izimangalo zolwaphulo-mthetho ngakuTolashe. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingu-Abongo Khobokana ndiseParlamente.
Umasipala iKing Dalindyebo Sabatha e-Eastern Cape uphakathi komasipala ababhekene nenselele yabantu abangasebenzi kuleli. Njengoba namhlanje nje izwe ligubha usuku lwezisebenzi, abantu abathengisa emgwaqeni bathi kubona kusenzima njengoba bengakwazi ngisho ukuthola uxhaso lukahulumeni ukuze basimamise amabhizinisi abo.
Insolangqesho iyaxhalabisa eMpuma Koloni, amashishini asakhasayo nabathengisela ezitalatweni bathi urhulumente uyasilela ekubancediseni.
Njengoba namhlanje kucelebratewa iWorkers Day, thina asiyanga ndawo silapha esitratweni ngoba siyazizamela. Imisebenzi sayifuna sancama, urhulumente akanamisebenzi akaqeshi cause sesegqitha nakule minyaka ifunwayo.
Umasipala apha akasihoyanga, so into ayenzayo umane efika isicela ngebylaws yoba ibylaws akumkelekanga uba singathengisa lapho.
Mlungwana usebenzela endlini atsho asele abantu ukutya kwindawo abakuzo. Uthi ukungafumani inkxaso mali kwenza nzima ukuba akhulise ishishini lakhe.
to do with ukutya, and I was a top student kwi-fashion ngo-2006. I won i-Aura Award ngo-2006. Ndaphuma ke ndazama uthunga with the hope that kuzawulunga, and yes, but akwalunga after imigudu emininzi.
Uyanaba ngentsokolo adibana nayo xa efuna inkxaso-mali.
Akukho lula ufumana i-funding because i-requirements for ukwazi ufumana i-funding zenziwa zibe a bit ridiculous for us to be able to be funded.
Othetela umasipala wasekuhlaleni iKing Sabatha Dalindyebo uSonwabo Mampoza uthi zikhona izicwangciso zokuqinisekisa ukuba abathengisi babekwa kwiindawo ezikhuselekileyo. Uye wabakhuthaza ukuba babhalise amashishini wabo. NdinguNomzwane Lemngoma kwiindaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Njengoba kuyiholide losuku lwezisebenzi emhlabeni jikelele, iningi lentsha yaseMpangeni KwaZulu-Natal elifundela Gogoda lisakhala ngokwentuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi. Lenselele igqame obala ngesikhathi iningi lezakhamuzi ezingasebenzi eMpangeni zithuthuleka ngothi lwazo ngesikhathi kuvulwa inxanxathela yezitolo eqanjwe ngowabe engumholi we-IFP inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi ongasekho.
Izinkulungwane zabantu abasha bangasebenzi babhekishe ngaphandle kwenxanxathela yezitolo ebivulwa eMpangeni befuna imisebenzi. IKwaZulu-Natal iyaqhubeka nokubhekana nesibalo esiphezulu sokuntuleka kwemisebenzi njengoba imibiko evela kumkhandlu kazwelonke wezifundazwe ukhombisa ukuthi bangu-41.9% abantu abangasebenzi okuyinselele kuso sonke isifundazwe. Iziphathimandla zithi kulindele ukuthi lenxanxathela yezitolo ithuthukise umphakathi waseMpangeni futhi udale amathuba emisebenzi angaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezimbili.
Thola leyo link isa-applya kodwa akasize siphendule. Ukuza kwamlana besithi besinethemba lokuthi sizothathwa kule mall since vele ivulele la eMpangeni kwathiwa izovulela i-youth.
Umndeni wakwaButhelezi ukuthokozele ukuqanjwa kwalenxanxathela yezitolo ngegama lomntwana wakaPhindangeni.
Umntwana ubeyothatha le mall ngokuthi ibe impumelelo kuyo. Okokuqala ngokuthi ikwazi ukuthi kube nemisebenzi yabantu endaweni ngoba sizwile abayaphiliwe bethi kwaba imisebenzi engaphezulu kwe-800 kwakhiwa lapha ngibe siyi-permanent ngaphezulu kwemisebenzi 8,000 etholakele emthini. Lokhu kokuqala kwakuyomphuzisana.
Le nxanxathela yezitolo kulindele ukuthi ivulwe ngezigaba futhi kulindele ukuthi iqedwe ngokuphelele ezinyangeni ezingu-18 ezizayo. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eMpangeni.
Mbukeli sathi qhu ezitolo uma sibuya umhlahle wesimo sezulu uyalandela noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibengele babukile emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlo ake sibheke simi kanje zoqaphela nje mbukeli mancane ke nje amathuba emvula alindelekile khona ke nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal kuya njalo nje esifundazweni Free State nakhona ke nje esifundazweni eGauteng ngasho nje ukuthi liphengile ke nje izulu molibhekise khona ke nje Standerton kuya njalo nje aphengithini kanti kusasa ngasho nje liphengile ke nje izulu efundazweni eningi zaseningizimu Afrika mawubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal kuya njalo nje eGqeberha kanti asekhona ke nje amathuba emvula amancane alindelekile nje khona ke eKapa Lodumo kanti kusasa isixwayiso sethu ke phuma lapha kwa-South African Weather Service semika nje uzoqaphela nje mbukeli khona ke lo moya kuvunguza ngamandla ongadalo nakuba ulwandle lokubha amagagasi khona ke nje eKapa Lodumo kanti kusasa kusesixwayiso nje esifanayo salo ke nje ukuba ulwandle lokubhe amagagasi ngenxa yawo ke nje umoya onamandla khona ke nje lapha ke eKapa Lodumo kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusasa mawubhekise khona kuGoli koSoweto kaNdonga Zaduma ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile nje ngo-23 kanti ke Pretoria ngasho nje selifudumele nje ngawo nje ku-25 kanti ke nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo amazinga okushisa amika nje uzoqaphela nje mbukeli khona ke nje eMusina ngasho nje siliyashisa ngo-30 shisa njalo ke nakhona kuThoyando singawulindela nje u29 kanti nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga amazinga okushisa amika nje ngasho nje siliyashisa isikhukhuza ngo29 kanti ethanda ukuthi nje libandeke eMelo ngawo nje u19 kanti ke masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal eThekwini Clermont kwaMashu eMlazi singawulindela nje u26 kuye njalo nje ePortshepstone oShabeni singawulindela nje u26 kanti ke nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa amika nje ngasho ukuthi eGqeberha fudumele ngo25 kanti ke eMthatha limi nje ku26 masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni I-Western Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje. eKapa lodumo liyabanda ngo-17 ngasho nje ukuthi eGeorge limi nje ku-24. Kanti ke nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iNorthern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje. eKimberley lipholile ngo-21 kanti ke Appington ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile ngawo nje u-23. kanti ke nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iFree State amazinga okushisa ame kanje. Singawulindela nje ukuthi kubandeke eBethlehem ngo-19 kanti ke mawubheke nje khona ke Bloemfontein singawulindela nje u-20. kanti nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iNorth West amazinga okushisa ame kanje. Liyashisa ke eRustenburg ngo-25 kanti ke khona ke nje eMahikeng limi nje ku-25. Isibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa. Mina ke ngintombi kaMadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele. Ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli, ngaphambi kokuba siphume asikwazise ngoguquko lwakusasa ukuthi izindaba ngolimi lesiXhosa zizotholakala uma kugamanxa ihora lesine ntambama. Kuze kube ngokuzayo ke usale kahle.